Afternoon. This is Philip at Charts 101. Let's look at some trading. I want to point out on this demo account what I was looking at last night. This is a 4-hour chart, and I noticed this price action here, this 4-hour candle closed well below its high, and it's not a prime example of a pattern or a pin bar or anything like that, but just the fact that it closed well off this high, I was thinking it might move a little lower. Now, I would point out that we are at this point in an uptrend, right? There's definitely more buying than selling here. But regardless, what I did was I zoomed in to a 5-minute chart, and I drew a fib here, and what I did was I placed a sell limit around this 61 area. Okay, and I put a tight take profit, and I put a stop loss up here. So during the night, it actually, it moved lower than where I drew this fib, but it did move back to the level where my sell limit was. It got filled, and then 15 or so minutes later, the take profit got filled. It was about 9 pips, so it was almost $90. So there was nothing very pretty about this trade, and we were against the trend technically, and the price did continue to move higher. But this is just an example of where you can use a longer term chart to set up a scalp. We could have done some other things. We could have put a buy stop here, and in hindsight, that was really where the move was. But I just wanted to point that out. On to today, where we did some scalping on the live account. Let's zoom out a little bit here. The market opened around this time. I had a channel drawn here. We had some highs, and then I connected this line here, and then when the market opened, let me go slow. When the market opened, I was watching, and I took a scalp short, then I took a scalp long, and then I took a scalp short. This was pretty cool because I had this horizontal line drawn, probably from a 15-minute chart, and it did look like it was reversing from that area, and I took a quick scalp. So that was three trades today. This totaled about 12 pips, and we weren't even in the market for very long. We have about a half hour of trading. Then after this pretty steep trend was broken, we moved sideways. Then there was a nice move down and a very nice move up. Then you can see the concept of resistance turning to support here for a little while. Okay, and another bounce. And here we are getting into afternoon trading. So just wanted to point out a few trades. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.